this video, we're going to learn Xero's different invoice templates, how to add a new template, how to customize the template, and how to apply them to invoices. Let's look at how the invoice displays to your customer before sending it. This eye icon shows how the online version of the invoice will look. You can also click the down arrow and click this Print PDF link to see how the PDF version looks. So what dictates how this invoice is laid out? What invoice template does Xero use? Well, to know that, we need to look at branding themes. Xero's invoice templates sit under the Invoice Settings screen, and to get to this, you go to Settings, Invoice Settings. So as I mentioned before, this is where you come if you want to set default due dates on your invoices. And just below here, we see the settings for the standard theme, which is the basic default invoice template. This contains the necessary information a tax invoice needs to have and can be slightly customized. So we can go to Options, Edit. And you can, for example, choose to show the item code. You can choose not to show the payment advice cutaway. So it is slightly customizable. I want to point out this field in particular. It is very important as it is where you need to enter your bank account details and any additional terms of payment. If you have multiple types of customers, you can add more templates. For example, if you have overseas customers, you'll want a different template which has your international payment details on it. Then, when you create an invoice for your overseas customer, you would select your overseas branding theme. If you need to have more design features or information on your invoices than the standard customization will allow, you will have to create a docx theme. This is basically a Microsoft Word document with fields that you can add, subtract, or move around. A common use of the docx theme is when people want to make their logo larger and centered on the invoice template. So to create a docx theme, you have to go to this plus New Branding Theme button, but click the down arrow and select Custom docx. Give it a title, press OK. Then you download the template file, which contains all types of documents Xero can generate, but we only want to customize the invoice. So then we open it up in Word, and then you would customize these fields as you wish. For example, you could remove the reference field if you never put references on your invoices, or include a larger logo and place it anywhere you wish. Then, when you are done, you click Save. Go back to Xero and click this Upload button. And I'll just show you how that looks with this example invoice here. So I select the name of my docx theme in the drop-down, and then I click the drop-down arrow and click Print PDF. And here's my customized invoice with the logo central and no reference showing. If you're not an advanced user of Word, docx templates can be a bit tricky to set up, so if you're attempting to do this and running into trouble, just get in touch and we can help. And that is how Xero's branding themes work.